Hello everyone, welcome back to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh. I'm here today to show you this beautiful 2024 Sea Ray 21 SPX that is brand new, fully redesigned from the outside all the way into the interior. It is super cool, looks great I think, and I think many others will agree with that. Now, exterior color scheme. You have the Sea Ray blue with the black hull bottom. It looks super sharp. It's starting to remind me a little bit of the 260 SLX, the way their badging is, the actual design language and lines of this boat. It reminds me a little bit of the 260 SLX that Sea Ray is producing. Now, this one in specific does have the sports tower with the integrated bimini top. Looks super sharp. You have the gas fill location right here. As we work our way to the stern of the boat, really, really cool. Again, fully redesigned. You don't have a port side walkthrough. You now have a starboard side walkthrough. So they kind of flip flop that a little bit. The lounging pad in the rear here, or in the transom, is a bit different. You have a nice backrest with the Sea Ray logo that's embroidered. Just kind of give you some, versatility as far as how you're sitting and how you're lounging out when you are anchored. Now on the platform, very spacious platform here. You do have a submersible swim platform that can be lowered into the water when the stern drive is in its lowest position. On the starboard side here, you'll notice that the ladder actually has a cover so you can step on it. And that's nice, gives you more platform space to move around on. If you're boarding from a taller dock or just from a dock in general, this gives you a space to step on, which is nice. Grab handle, tow point right here, tow your tubers, skiers. And then if you want to tow a wakeboarder, there's a tow point up on top of the tower to tow a wakeboarder, which is nice. That was the exterior. Let's go take a peek at the interior. All right, we have made our way up into the interior of the 2024 Sea Ray 210 SPX. And I'll first point out the stone interior color with the gray sea deck. It's a great color combination. Ties in nicely with the exterior, good contrast. Now, you will have a starboard side walkthrough instead of a port side walkthrough like on the previous model year. The 2024 has that starboard side entryway, which is neat, gives you some different feeling to the boat itself. You're going to have a nice big lounging sun pad in the back with a backrest. So somebody can be sitting up against this while somebody is sitting in the cockpit up against the backrest too, which is nice. So very universal. Now, the 210 SPX is powered by a 4.5 liter, 250 horsepower Mercruiser engine, which is plenty of power to pull your tubers, your wakeboarders, or even a skier as well. This boat will get up on plane very quickly, which is great, especially with that power plant. As I open this up here real quick, just to show you, you'll notice that you have a storage compartment over here on the port side. Now there is 2 batteries that will be going there, so you won't have as much storage space, but 2 batteries are located there, which opens up storage in the floor right here. So the batteries were previously located here. They are not. So this is now all storage in the floor right here. So as we walk in here, I'll move to the helm here first. And one thing just to point out, this is a brand new helm, completely redesigned. The way it looks, the way it feels, the windshield being rounded. It's sharp. It looks really good. There's really nothing that you don't need. You have your Fusion audio system right here. You have a SIMRAD screen to display your chart information, your engine information, everything you need right in there. Physical switches like your courtesy lighting, your accent lighting, anchor lights, your daytime running light, or I'm sorry, just your running lights, blower, bilge pump. So all your physical switches right here. Your key to start the boat, and then your throttle right here in a nice position. You have some cup holders and some storage cubbies right here. Flip up USBs to charge your phone and stay connected. And again, the sea deck all the way throughout here. You'll notice you have a sea deck up on the kind of footrest here, which is nice. Gives it more of a finished look, which I think is great. Overall, great space in this 210. It feels very spacious, 8'6" beam, and it feels a bit wider than that. It feels like a more like robust and kind of a beefy boat, which is cool when you compare that to the old 2023 this just feels like it's that much more, which is great. The seat is reversible. The passenger seat is lift up in the middle, slide it down, locks into place. There is one seating configuration for the 210, and this is what it is. This is what you see. So what you see is what you get, which is great. You'll have a little glove box right here, which is recessed, which is nice. Makes it, better visibility for the driver to see it through the windshield. You'll have storage underneath. And then you'll have in-floor storage as well, which actually opens up a little bit different. Pretty spacious, very deep. Life jackets, beach bags in there if you would like. So one thing that I think is super cool that's up in the bow here is you have a backrest, a removable backrest that can be slid in to give you more space to lay out, enjoy the bow. You can have your kids up here, then kind of make them feel like they have their own dedicated space, which I think is kind of cool. You do have a removable bow filler cushion, so this can be taken out. Same with the backrest, and you have a nice walkthrough up in the bow. Grab handles on both sides, 2 speakers in the bow. Very well appointed Sea Ray 210 SPX. Oh, to wrap things up, you guys, this is a very beautiful boat. It's brand new, completely redesigned. They did a great job. Great usability for the space that you have provided to you. Great storage, great features that you're going to really enjoy and that are very useful to an average boater, or really to any boater in general. Again, this is a 2024 Sea Ray 210 SPX located here at MarineMax Rogers. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or come stop by. We'd be glad to help you out. Thank you.